This video I'm going to be showing you what you can expect to get a drone. Alright, let's get to it. You'll receive a box like this, and it should say Certazo, California. I don't think it said that, pronounced that right. If you sent like a gimbal cover back or something like that, you will receive that back in a bag like this, and you'll get a whole new box depending on what you got. So I got a new DJI Mini SE. I got it repaired, but what they did was, seems like what they did was they gave me the drone. It was just sitting like this with all the stickers. Now the stickers won't be over here, they'll be on the drone. I'm just too lazy to throw them out. So you got the drone. There was a gimbal cover on it. You have the drone wrapped in stickers, just like you got it when you bought your DJI Mini SE. So I'll put that back in there. There was no remote because I only ordered a DJI Mini SE back. This, if you look at the very bottom, this is what came in the, this is like a note by them. And if you sent back propellers or anything like that, they're most likely give it back to you. I didn't send any propellers and I got brand new 8 propellers. Well, that's what you got. And you also get bubble wrap, so it's a win-win, not gonna lie. Because you're not spending $150 if you have the restore plan or something, whatever that's called. And it was only a $30 fix for me. Took a couple of days, but you know what? It's worth it. Bye-bye.